Hey everyone, hope you're doing okay. I wanted to give you a quick explanation as to how we know that it's not too late to put out a pre-emergent and how we know it's still going to be effective at this point in the year. And what it comes down to is soil temperatures. That's what we're up against, that's what we're racing against, is the increasing soil temperatures. And if you take a look at your summer weeds like crabgrass, the one you want to absolutely avoid having to deal with, crabgrass, it can start germinating from anywhere from 55 to 65 degrees, but it really doesn't fully take off and start germinating across the board until soil temperatures reach 70 to 75 degrees. So right now in the DFW Metroplex, the average soil temperature is 60 degrees. So we know that we still have time. We know that there are a lot of seeds that haven't germinated that we can still kill, and that's what we're trying to do. The problem is every single day right now, those temperatures are increasing. And so it's extremely urgent to get it done before those temperatures reach 70, 75 degrees, because after that, it's too late. You're going to have to deal with your crabgrass. There's other weeds like dandelions as well. Dandelions, they'll start to germinate as early as 50 degrees, but they really don't take off. That's why you see them in the early spring, but they really don't take off until temperatures reach 75 to 80 degrees. So there's a lot of time left. It's not too late. We've got 2 more weeks really till we're going to stop doing them all together, but that's what we're watching. We're watching the soil temperatures and making sure that those seeds haven't germinated yet and making sure that we can still kill them. So if you haven't had a pre-emergent, you want to get out there, you want to get it done as soon as possible. Call us, let us know. We can do it for you. We can get it done, scheduled in within a couple of days to make sure that you're in that time frame. But every single day counts. Every single day the temperatures are rising, and it's only going to be a matter of a couple of weeks before the temperatures are high enough to where all the seeds are germinated and you're going to be battling weeds the rest of the year. So hope that helps. Let us know if you need help. Let us know if you want us to do it. Shoot us a message, comment below, and we'll help you out any way we can. Thanks.